My biggest flex is that I can clean any room in 10 minutes using my swap method. And no, it's not because my house is just magically cleaner than everyone else's. It's because other people are looking to clean up a room. I'm just working a method. I'm intentional with it. Hey everyone, it's Audrey, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to speed clean a room. Yes, this is very basic information, but not everyone is taught these things, and not everything comes natural to everyone. So if you have a snarky comment, shoo fly. Okay, let's dive in. The biggest mistake people make when they go to clean a room is that they look at the room as a whole. They see the entire elephant. That's wrong. When I walk into a messy room, I'm not seeing chaos or feeling overwhelmed. I'm just seeing a bunch of unfinished tasks. Because remember, I tell you all the time, you aren't lazy, you aren't bad at cleaning, you just have a bunch of unfinished tasks that need tackled. A dish needs to go to the kitchen. A shirt needs to go to the laundry. A toy needs to go back to its home. Once you detach yourself from the emotion of the mess and you just sort the tasks, the whole room becomes a lot easier to tackle. So, change your mindset. Don't view the room as a messy thing to clean. View it as a workspace that needs managed. Okay, before we get into the swap method, let's talk about why we speed clean. The goal isn't to deep clean your house every day or even every week. The goal is to maintain control of your home. We do that by focusing on tidying, not cleaning. Now, I know it's confusing because I've said the word clean like a million times and I'm about to say it a million more. But clean or cleaning are just the universally accepted terms we use when we're talking about making a space look more manageable. Picking up, tidying, cleaning, they're all used interchangeably nowadays. But almost always when I say clean, I mean tidy, because tidy is always my focus. Tidy is realistic. It's manageable. It can be done quickly. Cleaning takes time. My house is always tidy, but rarely ever clean. So speed cleaning or tidying is vital because it prevents overwhelm, buildup, and chaos. We may not have 30 minutes to clean a room, but we can usually find 10. Okay, so back to the speed clean. When we are speed cleaning, our goal is to, obviously, get done as quick as possible. But we don't do this by cleaning faster. We do this by moving less. All right, there are 4 steps to the swap method. It's super simple. So S, start with big stuff. W, work around the room. A, assemble piles. And P, put everything away. So, step 1, move the big stuff first. Once you get the big things out of your way, you're able to really focus on the smaller pieces, and big items help to visually reset the room quickly. Okay, so the next step after you've taken care of the big stuff is to just pick an area of the room and you're going to work around. You're either going to go clockwise or counterclockwise, you pick. But by picking one area to focus on, you're preventing your brain from getting sidetracked. And step number 3, this is really, really important, okay? It's what I mentioned at the beginning here. You're not going to pick up an item, go put it away, come back, get another, and then another, and then another. No, our speed clean is about moving less, not working faster. So instead of putting each individual item up at a time, you're going to create piles in the areas that you're working. So you'll notice in this video, I'm just tossing items around the room. That's because I'm tossing stuff into piles. So I'm tossing the Nerf guns into a pile, the books into a pile, the stuffies into a pile, etc. And then our final step is just to put each pile away at the end. When people clean, they spend most of their time walking. Not to mention, your brain gets so overwhelmed when you're constantly switching tasks. By using my swap method, you stay focused, you stay fast, and you keep momentum. Your house doesn't stay clean because you clean longer. It stays clean because you clean smarter. The next time that you get a messy room, try the swap method and let me know how long it takes you.